Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, roof rack, body color door handles, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, security alarm, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, low tire pressure warning, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.